Hey guys, so excited. My book is here finally, here in the sense it's now available on Amazon.com as a print book and also available on my website to be downloaded as an ebook also. So both the options are there. I will place link in the bio that will get you to the page which gives you more information about the book as well as gives you the links to purchase them. So, first of all, let's talk more about the book. I already gave you an overview of what the book is about. It's AIP Indian Fusion. So, all the recipes are 100% AIP elimination phase compliant. And I also have reintroduction suggestions for many recipes. So, as you know, if you're familiar with AIP, you know that AIP is not meant to be forever. And after the strict elimination phase is over, you can, after you begin to feel better, you can reintroduce things in a certain order. So I have some reintroduction suggestions. So that's great. And what's so exciting, you see my shelf here with all the cookbooks. It has been my dream to have a cookbook of my own. And finally, I have one of my own. See here, my shelf is like overloaded with all the books. There are like double rows of cookbooks, and I have some over on this side as well. So you can see how crazy I am when it comes to cookbooks. It's just like cookbooks always grab my attention, especially the ones which have great pictures in them. And I'm so proud of this one because the pictures are beautiful. The pages are beautiful. The quality of the paper and everything, and it's absolutely beautiful. I hope you can buy this book, and if you do so, please don't forget to give me a 5-star rating on Amazon.com, because as you know, right, ratings are what sells books. So I'll be really grateful if you can go and give me a 5-star rating once you purchase the book and you like it. Also, I just wanted to take a moment to thank a couple people. First of all, my family, my husband, and my children, especially my son Rachit, for helping me with the design of this book. So this is my first cookbook, and it has been his first project working on designing a book, and I think he did a fabulous job. So I'm so grateful that I could work with him, so that way we could work closely together. I was constantly breathing down his neck. That's a different thing, but it was really convenient when he was home during summer, and we could just work on the book together. So I'm grateful to my family, and then I'm grateful to all my friends as well as extended family members, everybody who supported me during this process. And I'm really looking forward to hearing more now from you guys as you buy the book, and I'm really waiting to hear your feedback about the book. Oh, one last thing. So the page that actually describes my book, and I will place a link in the bio for that. So that page actually gives you a glimpse of what's inside the book. There is a table of contents as well as a recipe index, a page that you can look at, and nothing like looking at the recipe index to really know what's inside the book. So I have put those out there in there so you can take a look, and there are also pictures from the book overall. So do check out that link, and I hope you can buy the book. All right, thank you.